Hamjambo, welcome to our Kiswahili alphabet lesson, and this is the first lesson towards this reading course. So, in this course, you're going to learn how to combine vowels with consonants to make syllables and later words, and how all this combine to make full sentences. You're also going to learn how to read, how to pronounce words in Kiswahili. So let's start with the Kiswahili alphabet. Alfabeti ya Kiswahili. Introduction. The Swahili alphabet is based on the Arabic alphabet, hence some words are similar both in Arabic and in Kiswahili. In the Kiswahili alphabet, no words use letter Q, X, and lone C. For example, in the word chatu, we cannot have a lone C. So C will always appear with a H. And it is worth noting that these letters Q and X do not exist in the Kiswahili alphabet. Most of the words, instead of using a C, they'll use a K, like in the word kiti. Pronunciation. How do you pronounce words in Kiswahili? Swahili pronunciation is extremely easy. You learn in this lesson how syllables are constructed in Swahili and how to pronounce them. We'll start our lesson with vowels, and vowels in Kiswahili are known as vocali. So we have the vocali a, e, I, o, u. Nearly similar pronunciation with English, a, e, I, o, u. Now these vocalies are going to combine with consonanti to form syllables. So here is the Swahili alphabet. These are the letters that do exist in the Swahili alphabet. We have a, ba, cha, da, e, fa, ga, ha, I, ja, ka, la, ma, na, o, pa, ra, sa, ta, u, va, wa, ya, za. Now, as I was pronouncing this, I was just adding the vocali a in front of the word, but these are the letters of the Swahili alphabet. Okay. Now, here we have the vocali combining with syllables. So we'll have ba, be, bi, bo, bu. The vocali combining with consonanti. So we're going to combine. So this will help us in pronunciation in such a way that we know that vowels combine with consonants to form syllables, and the vowels combine with each letter of the alphabet, unless it's a vowel which can stand alone. So we have ba, be, bi, bo, bu, cha, che, chi, cho, chu, da, de, di, do, do, fa, fe, fi, fo, fu. Read with me. Ga, ge, gi, go, gu, ha, he, hi, ho, hu. We're going to combine this for the rest of the alphabet. Ja, je, ji, jo, ju, ka, ke, ki, ko, ku, la, le, li, lo, lu. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu, na, ne, ni, no, nu. Pa, pe, pi, po, pu, ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Sa, se, si, so, su. Ta, te, ti, to, tu. Va, ve, vi, vo, vu. Wa, we, wi, wo, wu. Ya, ye, yi, yo, yu. Za, ze, zi, zo, zu. Syllabi. Syllables in Swahili are made up of vowels alone or combination of consonants and vowels. The exception is with letter m and n, which form syllables just by themselves in some words. For example, the word mtu, which means a person, and nchi, which means a country. So basically, we are saying that letters M and N can form syllables on their own. They don't need to be combined with anything else. Okay, so the letter M and N and all the vowels can stand alone to form syllables. However, all the consonants must be combined with vowels to form syllables. Now, here's a small exercise. Count the syllables, then read aloud. We have the word hujambo. Now, reading Kiswahili is as easy because we're reading the words as they're written. Hujambo. So, how many syllables do we have here? We have moja, mbili, tatu, nne. Then the next word, si jambo. Si jambo. So, we have si, ja, bo. Those are moja, mbili, tatu, nne. There are 4 syllables. Hakuna matata. There's no worry. So hakuna has 3 syllables. Matata has also 3 syllables. In total, we have 6 syllables. Sina chochote. Sina has 2 syllables. Chochote has chochote has 3 syllables. So hujambo means how are you? Sijambo, I'm fine. Hakuna matata, no problem. Sina chochote, I've got nothing. Read the following aloud. Sina chochote, nakupenda, hongera, jina lako nani, mnyang'anye. So let's read together. Sina chochote, which means I've got nothing. Nakupenda, I love you. Hongera, congratulations. Jina lako nani, what's your name? Munyang'anye, snatch it from him. Read the following aloud. Read as fast as you can. Kiatu chake kimechafuka. Kiatu chake kimechafuka. His shoes are dirty. Baba Bango ana bakuli. Baba Bango ana bakuli. Dada yake amenunua dafu. So there's an error there. It's amenunua. Should be an M instead of an N. And thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Kwaheri.